We begin at 5 o'clock for you with the latest step in a battle between a fired principal and the Denver Public School District. The former principal, Kurt Dennis, filed a lawsuit over his firing, calling the move retaliation. That's after Dennis raised concerns about a policy for unarmed school staff to conduct pat-downs on students. Good evening, I'm Karen Lee.
And I'm Michael Spencer. Since his firing, some DPS board members have come forward with new complaints about the use of de-escalation rooms when Dennis was at McAuliffe International School. Your reporter Kelly Worthman is live tonight at that school.
And Kelly, Dennis's lawyer today talking about this new lawsuit.
And among the many things this federal lawsuit claims, Karen and Michael, is a violation of due process, alleging that DPS violated its own policies of terminating or even disciplining its employees. And now this entire ordeal has cost Kurt Dennis not only his reputation and job, but the ability for him to get another job.
100% pure retaliation is the reason they fired Kurt Dennis.
What Denver Public Schools calls a violation of confidentiality, attorneys for Kurt Dennis claim is a violation of civil rights.
The actual reason they fired him is because he went public and criticized DPS's policy about allowing violent children back into the schools before their charges pending are resolved.
Following the shooting of two administrators at East High School shot by a student during a routine pat-down, Dennis told local media that DPS asked his staff at McAuliffe International to do similar pat-downs on a student who was facing an attempted murder charge, and they didn't feel safe. The district said his comments violated student confidentiality, so they fired him. His termination prompted protests, and that's when his attorneys say DPS leaders began coming up with other reasons Dennis was let go.
And in 2023 America, the best way to turn public sentiment against someone is to call them a white supremacist or a racist. And that's exactly what they did without one shred of evidence.
Now, in a newly filed federal lawsuit, Dennis alleges DPS denied his First Amendment rights, and the school board's defamatory statements have ruined his reputation.
I'm really looking forward to holding the door of the courthouse open for all of the defendants in this case so they can explain this all to a federal judge and a federal jury.
Now, this lawsuit is seeking economic as well as punitive damages, which could impact Denver taxpayers. I did reach out to Denver Public Schools for a statement, but they said they have yet to be served this lawsuit, so they cannot comment. Reporting live in Denver, I'm Kelly Worthman, covering Colorado First.
Certainly more to come of this story tonight, Kelly. Thank you.
Covering